As we learned from our video about hedonic adaptation, things like a good grade or a fancy car may not be able to improve one's long-term happiness due to the hedonic treadmill. But that's not the only thing that may not improve your happiness. In fact, this may even harm it. And that's focusing on the grades themselves. Has this ever happened to you? You've always considered yourself to be good at math, and suddenly, for whatever reason, you freeze up while giving a test, and that A grade becomes an almost failing one. A lot of us happen to define our intelligence by the grades we receive, like we need external validation for this internal quality. We tend to think, oh, I thought I was good at math, but I couldn't do well in this test, so I guess I'm not as good as I thought I was. Not only does this hurt our self-esteem, but it can be detrimental to our future performance. A mindset where one concentrates on the grades rather than the learning is known as the fixed mindset, and it's as stagnating as the name. Those who have a fixed mindset tend to believe intelligence, your skills, etc., are fixed from your birth. That is, they believe people are either born intelligent or not. This mindset can be especially harmful because those with this mindset tend to have extrinsic motivation or look outside for motivation. These are the kinds of people that look at grades for validation or to confirm that they're as intelligent as they thought they were. Rather than focusing on the process, on the learning, they focus on the outcome to validate themselves. This can be detrimental to both our love for the subject as well as our performance itself. Think of it this way. If a single, somewhat difficult math test leaves you questioning your very aptitude for the subject, every roadblock you hit is going to make you want to give up. Your love for learning for the actual math is gone. Instead, you only work to prove to yourself that you're good enough, smart enough. Not only can this mindset be exhausting, it can also lead to your grades going lower and lower. For example, in a study conducted in 2003, the mindsets of several pre-med students were categorized as either fixed or growth mindsets. They then followed these students throughout their college life, through particularly difficult classes like organic chemistry. And what they found was that those who had extrinsic motivation, or a fixed mindset, worked only towards those grades, were the ones that started dropping classes as soon as they started doing poorly. These were the ones who gave up as soon as they hit a roadblock and were never able to grow or move forward. And that's the real detriment of the fixed mindset, that you never give yourself the chance to grow at something. Sounds like you? So how can you improve the fixed mindset? Well, it's actually simple. See, the antithesis of a fixed mindset is a growth mindset. These are the people that have intrinsic motivation, who don't need to look externally for validation. These are the kinds of people who focus on the learning rather than the grades. So can you teach yourself to have a fixed mindset? Well, actually, yeah. A study was conducted recently where participants were given one of two articles to read. Either an article talking about how intelligence is determined and fixed, or an article talking about how good grades and intelligence can be developed through work and practice. After giving these participants a math test, they were then asked to give another math test slightly more challenging. The ones who read the article on the growth mindset performed significantly better than the other group. So simply being aware that intelligence is not fixed, that you can do anything by working hard, helped their performance. So remember, focus on the learning, about things you are truly passionate about. Worry about the process, not the outcome. Be excited to learn rather than looking to grades to motivate you. Grades don't define your intelligence, and they don't define who you are.